First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to medium level seating arrangement set number 6. So M to S are 7 people live on a 7 different floors starting from floor number 1 till floor number 7. And also each one of us has a different income. So our target to find the person living on which floor, and also we need to find the salary of the person, income of the person. Understood? So always I would say go with minimum of 2 possible diagrams, right? The lowest floor is number 1 and the topmost floor is number 7, right? So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So let me assume this as possible diagram 1 and this as possible diagram 2. Understood? So point number 1. M lives on an odd number floor but not on the floor number 3. So the person M is living on an odd number floor, right? So odd number floor we have 1, 3, 5, 7. So totally we have 4 odd number floors. But now what they said is the person M is not living on floor number 3. So here we can guess M will either lives on floor number 7, one odd number, or else 5 or else 1. 3 possibles we are getting. So let me keep that point in mind. We can move on to the next point, right? So next point is the one who has income of 11,000 lives immediately above M. Just see here, immediately above M, the person whose income is 11,000. We already know that there are 3 places for M. Either M can be placed at number 7. In case, if I place M as number 7th floor, odd number floor, so now according to point number 2, above M, the person who is getting 11,000 salary. If I fix M here, above M, we can't able to place any other person because it's ruled out of the arrangement. So only 2 chances that either I can place M on the 5th floor, odd number floor, or else I can place M on the 1st floor because we already know that M is not sitting on the 3rd floor. Understood? So only 2 chances. Either 5th floor is for M or else 1st floor is for M. So now according to point number 2, the one has income 11,000 lives immediately above M. So above M, this person's salary will be 11,000. So similarly, immediately above M, so this person's salary will be 11,000. Understood? So finally, we are getting 2 possible diagrams. Okay. So point number 3. Only 2 people live between M and one who has an income of 7,500. There are 2 people living between M and 7,500 income, right? So 1, 2. Only chance that I should fix the income of person 7,500 here because between M and this person there should be gap of 2. So similarly 1 and 2, so I should place here. Understood? So only 2 people live between M and the person whose income is 7,500. So in both this possible diagram we have done it. Next point. The one who has an income of 15,000 lives on one of the odd number floor above P. So what they are saying is the person whose income is 15,000 lives on one of the odd number floor above P. P lives on an odd number floor. Okay, so P lives on, so let me take it as a note, no other way, right? So what we can do is one's whose income is 15,000 live one of the odd number floor above P. Okay, so above P, the person whose salary is 15,000, right? So he is living, and they are saying that this person, the person whose income is 15,000 lives on an odd number floor. So similarly the person P is also lives on an odd number floor. So if I fix P here, then this can be 15,000 or this can be 15,000, many possibles. So let it be, let me take this as a clue number 1. Understood? So next point, only 3 people live between O and whose has an income of 15,000. So between O and the person whose income is 15,000, there are gap of 3 people, right? So let me take it as clue number 2. So again we are getting many possibles, right? The one whose income is 7,500, yes, only 3 people lives, okay. The one whose income is 7,500 lives immediately above O. So lives immediately above O is the person who is getting a salary of 7,500. So surely we can say we can fix O here. So similarly I can fix O here. Understood, friends? So according to that point, the one whose income is 7,500, we already fixed the person who has an income of 7,500, and this person lives immediately above O. So immediately above O we fixed it. And also we know that between O and the person's salary 15,000 there is gap of 3 persons, right? So already we fixed O here. So 1, 2, 3, 3 person. So 15,000 salary, right? So 15,000 salary should be placed here. So between O and 15,000 there is gap of 3 percent. So similarly 1, 2 and 3. So this should be 15,000. And also just see here, we know that above P the person whose salary is 15,000 is sitting, and also the person who is getting 15,000 salary, he should be on the odd number floor. So here 15,000 odd number floor, here 15,000 odd number floor, and the person P should be placed on an odd number floor, right? So only one chance that I can place P here in this possible diagram, because we know that above P the person who is getting 15,000 salary, and also P should be placed on an odd number floor. So I did it. So if we move on to this possible diagram, above P, so I can't able to fix P here, only one chance that I should fix P here, right? Because above P 15,000 salary. So finally both the clues are arranged. Okay, so next point is, the one who has an income of 3,500 lives immediately above the one who has an income of 5,000. So immediately above 5,000, the person whose salary is 3,500. So if I fix 5,000 here, I can't able to fix 3,500. Similarly, there is no chances, only one chance that I should fix the salary that is 5,000 here, and above this person it should be 3,500. So if I fix 5,000 here, we can't, and only chance that I should fix 5,000 here, and this should be 3,500. Okay, no other way. Next point is, S lives on an odd number floor, but not on floor number 3. So the person S is living on odd number floor, but not on floor number 3. So here we are getting two chances, right? Either I can fix S lives on order but not on floor number 3. So we are getting chance S can be placed here, or S can be placed here, or S can be placed here, right? We are getting many possibles. So similarly I can place S here. Okay, let it be. Next point is, only one person lives between N and Q. So between N and Q there should be gap of 1 person. So N lives on one of the floor above Q. So above Q it is N, and also they said that only one person is living between N and Q. So if I fix Q here, this can't be N. If I fix Q here, this can be N. So N and Q possibilities, right? If I fix Q here, this can be N. If I fix Q here, this can be N. Okay, so next point what they said is, neither Q nor N has an income of 9,000. Q does not has an income of 7,500. So 7,500 is not Q, right? So I can't able to fix Q here in this possible diagram. Only chance that I should fix Q here and N here. Understood? Between N and Q there should be gap of 1 person. So I finally fixed this, and also they said that neither O nor M has an income of 9,000. So O nor M has an income of 9,000. So this is not 9,000. So I should fix 9,000 here. And what are all the letters that we remaining is S is remaining, and also R is remaining. And we already know that the person S is sitting on an odd number floor. So I can't able to fix S here. Only chance that I should fix S here, because S lives on an odd number floor. So finally I fixed all the person. R is remaining, I have to fix here. And only one salary, one income is remaining, that is, so 9,000. 13500, right? So 13500 is remaining, I should place here. That's it. So when we move on to this possible diagram, so S is not sitting on floor number 3, odd number floor. So I should definitely fix S here, because we already know that 7,500 is not Q, right? So I should fix Q here, and I should fix N here. But what they are saying is, the person O or M has an income of 9,000. See here, only two chances. I can fix 9,000 as O, or else 9,000 as M. But according to the last previous point, what they have said is, both these person income is not 9,000. So there is no chance to fix 9,000 except these two places. So we can surely say this complete possible diagram is wrong. So finally this will be the answer for set number 6. Very interesting, little bit odd level question, but practice more. If you practice more, it is easy. Beginners, kindly try to write this as a clue, right? Every time if you feel difficult, try to write it as a clue here and then solve the question. You will surely get the answer. So finally this will be the answer for set number 6 medium level arrangement question.